to beat what is effectively a fridge on wheels, which is what I'm driving. Now you've got more power, about a ton less weight. The only disadvantage you have is that you're rear wheel drive and I'm all wheel drive, but every other metric you are winning.
So if you don't win,
you must have to view yourself or your car as the biggest loser ever.
Fully second.
Oh, when it's on boost, my God, that goes.
Yeah, it really does. It's pretty mental once it's on boost.
Well, let's do it from third gear, from 50 miles an hour, the standard car wow test. It might not be so boosty then. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hello. That was very different. Oh no! Oh no! Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars, that's just in its usual setting. I'm in Bugatti mode and automatic. So just like I'm cruising along, and then there's someone in a Tesla Model S Plaid, and we think, oh, I know, we're going to have a race. And I go 3, 2, 1. Go. Blimey, this took ages to kick down.
God, I killed him!
But now we're on. That's ahead of me.
He's gonna come quick. Oh my God, look how quick he's coming.
Can I catch it to the quarter mile? No, he's going to have it in the quarter, but now I can pass. Watch me gap it now.
Oh wow.
This is going to be insane. Well, that was interesting, Yanni.
Obviously, instant power is always gonna have you. I was doing 180 miles. An hour and you come past me like I wasn't even moving. Wow.
I literally have no idea how quick I was going. That's one thing about this car, it's so deceptive. It's so very quick and does it so effortlessly, keeps on piling the speed on. You have no real sense of how quick you're going. So to everybody watching, this is how quick I was going, and I'll be watching the video with you right now to find out for myself.
Come on then, try something.
Okay then, Yanni, same thing again, but I'm going to go in third gear like we normally do. I have a horrible feeling I'm going to be out of my power band. So let's see what happens now. 3, 2, 1. Go. Come on, build boost, build boost.
Come on.
Tesla's now gone. On boost now, look at this.
Oh, he's nowhere near me. I'm going to beat him. Oh, no, I'm not.
Oh.
Who am I kidding?
Oh, it took a while, but now I'm there. Let's do the same thing again, but this time I'm going to go into Autobahn mode and second gear. And I'm going to roll on from 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1. Go. that's quicker.
Let's see what speed he comes past me. 130.
Well, I've been to the quarter now. Look at this come past.
140.
Watch the speed build. Here we go. Here comes the half mile now.
What's that for you, Yanni?
Great for me, mate, but just watching you, obviously I'm trying to drive straight, concentrate, 'cause I'm going so fast, and look to my right, and look behind me to see where you are, and then when you come past me, I'm just like, wow.
It doesn't just like edge past, it just blasts past, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like a little rocket. What I want to know